Do you always feel like you're constantly running out of time? What if I told you there is a secret weapon that can give you back hours every single week? That secret is artificial intelligence, and it's not science fiction anymore. It's a practical tool you can start using today. Let's dive into 5 ways AI can seriously free up your schedule. First up, say goodbye to email overload. We all know that black hole of an inbox. AI tools can now summarize long email threads, draft replies for you, and even prioritize which messages need your attention first. Instead of spending an hour sifting through emails, you can get the gist in minutes and respond instantly. It's like having a personal assistant who's always on top of your communications. Second, let's talk about content creation. Whether you're writing a blog post, a social media update, or even a script like this one, AI can be a game changer. It can help you brainstorm ideas, generate outlines, and even write entire first drafts. You're still in the driver's seat, but AI does the heavy lifting, turning a daunting task that takes hours into a quick and creative process. This is perfect for marketers, students, and anyone who needs to produce quality content regularly. Third on our list is mastering meetings. How many hours have you lost in back-to-back meetings, struggling to take notes while also trying to participate? AI meeting assistants can join your calls, transcribe the entire conversation in real time, and then create a concise summary with key takeaways and action items. You can finally be fully present in the discussion, knowing that a perfect record is being created for you automatically. Imagine walking out of a meeting with a clear, organized summary already in your inbox. Number 4 is all about planning and research. Planning a trip. Researching a complex topic for a project. Instead of spending hours jumping between dozens of tabs on your browser, you can ask an AI to do the work for you. For example, you could say, plan a 5-day family-friendly itinerary for a trip to Tokyo, including transportation options and budget-friendly restaurants. In seconds, you'll get a detailed plan that would have taken you hours to put together on your own. This works for anything, from market research for your business to finding the best recipes for dinner. Finally, the 5th way AI saves you time is through personalized learning. Want to learn a new skill, like coding or a new language? AI-powered learning platforms adapt to your personal pace and style. They can identify where you're struggling and provide customized exercises and explanations to help you improve faster. It's like having a private tutor available 24/7, making your learning process far more efficient and effective. You're not wasting time on concepts you already understand. You're focusing exactly where you need to. So there you have it, 5 practical ways AI can give you back precious hours every week. From managing your inbox to supercharging your learning, these tools are designed to handle the tedious tasks so you can focus on what truly matters. It's about working smarter, not harder. Which of these AI uses are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.